Hey guys, welcome back to American Contractor Show. I kind of got a little special edition thing here, but I wanted to talk about this because this video has been circulating around the industry now for the last few weeks now. I think it's been like a week or two now, but this video made by Raymond Little has 836,000 views, and it's one of the biggest classic examples of what insurance companies are doing to contractors right now across America. And I say that because I know that at our company, here in Indianapolis, we're experiencing the exact same thing that what we see in this video. So I wanted to break this down, give you guys an idea what's going on, and kind of talk about this and give you guys our perspective. So let's watch this.
But I'm looking at that, what you're doing is simulating damage to the shingle.
Me?
Whenever you pull the shingle back further than it needs to, that's creating damage.
Okay, so a little backstory here. This is a State Farm adjuster. He's got his State Farm gear on, so we can go ahead and say that's who it is. And he's on a roof with a contractor, okay? And the contractor is attempting to do a repair in front of the adjuster. Why is he doing this? The reason he's doing this is because this roof has severe wind damage and has to be repaired. The problem is, so there's if you look a little bit, it'll show you some of those shingles that are missing, but the adjuster is telling the contractor here, hey, you know what? You guys can repair this roof rather than have to replace the whole roof. Let's see what actually is going on here, though.
That point?
No, I'm not saying, right, but when you pull this one up.
Yeah, you have to pull this one up to see which three it is.
Okay, I'm saying, but you don't need to crease it.
When did I crease it?
When you pull up the side of the...
Where is it creased?
Where is it creased?
It's not creased now, and that's what I'm saying.
Oh, let's go to a different one then.
So this adjuster is telling the contractor that he creased the shingle when he pulled it up, and that's what caused the crease. Because what we're looking for as contractors a lot of times is that crease, because that means that determines whether or not we can actually repair a roof. A home isn't really repairable if it damages all the other shingles. So if you're missing a shingle up in this area, and then you're going to have to replace that shingle, you're going to probably break all the shingles around it, creates a domino effect, and then you really can't repair that roof. Whereas a lot of the estimates that we're getting back from insurance companies are showing 70, 80, 90, 100 shingles that have to be replaced. How are you going to replace 100 shingles when the roof is not actually repairable? And that's what's going on here.
Oh, let's go to a different one then. You think this is repairable?
Yes. Wholeheartedly.
You got that bit on video?
So he literally said this roof is repairable.
I don't do anything.
No, but you're making a cover.
But he's not an expert.
No, I'm an expert on the policy. And what the policy pays for is accidental direct physical loss of the roof. Because they're doing this
So this shingle we agree is wind damage, right?
Correct.
All right, so what's the proper way to repair it?
To get the nail out.
So he wants the adjuster to show him, how do I repair this shingle?
No, where?
You have to use a little finesse. You can't tear back the shingles.
Can you direct me?
No.
What do you mean?
We're not going to tell you how to do repairs. That's your job.
What?
So he's saying it can be repaired. I'm not going to show you how to do it, but it can be done. And he's showing him, he's telling like, hey dude, how do I do this in order to repair what you're saying to repair?
Can you direct me?
No.
But he's not going to tell him how to do a repair.
What do you mean?
We're not going to tell you how to do repairs. That's your job.
What?
We are here to evaluate.
Yeah, you are telling me how to do repairs because of the emails.
No, I'm saying that what you were doing was bending a shingle.
I have to see where the nail's at, correct?
Yes, no, I'm not saying that you don't have to, but you don't have to bend the shingle.
Where did I bend the shingle?
So now the homeowner's obviously upset now.
But he can't show me how to do it. Oh, this is going straight to an attorney, so it doesn't matter.
I'm saying you don't.
Now the contractor's saying that. I don't know if he really should, but he's saying it anyways.
Where? Show me. Now, so what do I need to do? So this is sealed.
Up here.
So I didn't do that right there?
You're bending the shingle.
You just bent that one back just as
So
far
he
as
just
that
pushed that
further
shingle.
That one back, where not that
He barely bent it back.
Yeah, this one back, you created
That's what I'm
damage
saying,
yourself.
It's repairable.
It's repairable?
Yes.
You did that.
So it's basically this whole process, and this is what we're dealing with. Got to understand, roofs are an entire system. They're not meant to be taken apart and put back together in sections like that. What ends up happening is you're going to break every shingle around it. This is a huge disservice that these insurance companies are doing to homeowners.
You didn't do that?
No.
He didn't do that? Wow. All right, look. So here, let's start over. So look. All right. Now Okay, I don't want to mess this up, so I'm peeking up on there for the nail, right? So do you agree the nail's right here?
I can't see the nails.
Do you want to look at it?
No, that's fine. Again, I'm not going to tell you guys how to do the job.
Oh, I'm trying to.
I'm here to
this roof's not.
evaluate the coverage.
But you just told me so you're agreeing this roof's repairable. And have you did a BT on it?
What's a BT?
You don't know what a BT is?
No.
A brittle test?
We don't do brittle tests.
Is that what you did right here and damaged this shingle?
No. I'm here to look at the pliability of the shingle.
Okay. Is this the correct?
So here's the question. If they're not going to do a brittle test, how do they determine if a roof is repairable or not? Like I said, it all goes back to the same thing. Is this roof actually repairable? And the brittle test would tell you how brittle everything was and the condition of the roof. That's what really determines whether or not a roof is repairable, not what an adjuster says or an insurance company.
At the pliability of the shingle.
Okay. Is this the correct way to remove a shingle? No, I'm asking you. I don't know. That's what I'm saying. The nail's right here.
I'm not a roofer. I'm here to
But
look at the
you can tell me
pliability of the
how
shingle.
I'm doing it wrong.
This is great.
I'm a roofer, so I'm gonna do it. If you don't know how to do it, how can you make a coverage decision?
I'm here to look at the pliability of the shingle.
All right.
So he just said he's there to determine the pliability of the shingle, but he's not determining the pliability of the shingle. So what is actually happening here?
How do I want to get this nail out? I'm just asking you. I'm not being smart ass. I'm just being dead ass serious. I'm just trying to show that. So how would you get this nail out?
I'm not here to tell you how to do your job.
Okay.
I'm just here to look at the pliability of the
Is that
shingle.
This is a serious problem. How does he repair this roof according to what he's trying to say?
So how would you get this nail out?
I'm not here to tell you how to do your job.
Okay.
I'm just here to look at the pliability of the
Is
shingles.
that the right way?
He keeps saying that. Pliability of the shingles. Is he, though, actually determining the pliability of the shingles?
Is that the correct way? Can I lift it up? Because here's the nail. All right.
It rips.
All right. Rip. So.
Yeah, if you're
So literally just ripped the shingle trying to replace the shingle around it.
What do you mean?
What do you mean you get the nail out? How are you talking? What do you mean? That's how you have to get the nail out.
No,
He did nothing out of the ordinary there to try to remove that shingle.
no, I'm just
I'm
saying
not
there has
lifting
to
the
be a
shingle.
willingness there to actually complete the repair.
He doesn't see a willingness to complete the repair.
Yes, sir.
Well, of course not. It's not the right way to do it. You can't repair a roof like this. It's not about willingness. It's not that we don't want to repair the roofs.
Yes, sir.
So the homeowner is obviously still upset about this.
Whoa,
He's looking at
whoa,
this.
wait.
He's like, take that
Why
this
you
is
going
his
so
roof.
far? Whoa, wait.
You lifted it up farther than we
Why are you
did.
going so far?
Why are you going so far?
All right, guys. I was here to
Okay,
evaluate
well
the
let's do
shingles.
another one that we both agree on then.
I've already seen you
It's
too.
failed. It's failed. It's failed. You did this. Hold on. You did this, Jeff.
I've seen what I needed to see.
Yeah, you did that.
This is a pretty terrible video to show exactly what's going on. Like, this is literally what contractors are having to go through. If you're a homeowner and you're watching this,
You can make a coverage decision.
and this is your house, and you've paid insurance premiums for years and years and years, that's frustrating.
But, hey, send that to the lawyer.
For the record, Ray, how many years have you been in this business?
12 years.
So I think this company knows what they're doing.
Okay.
You are unwilling to show them what to do.
What's
So
acceptable to do
homeowner's
the
not
repair?
happy
That's all I'm asking.
because he has a roof expert
This
on
is
his
State Farm
roof
roof snake. This is
and a
what you
policy
require.
expert, supposedly.
Yes, it is.
That is a roof snake.
Yes, it 100%
Is
is.
it branded State Farm?
It's what they told me. Yes, it's exactly what they told us on many repairs to use.
Okay.
So show us what you want.
Mr. Roof, yeah.
He's heard the whole conversation. Yeah, well, this is a willingness.
Come out 2 times. I'm talking to you guys. There's a willingness there, but you guys are the ones who
Show me right here where the homeowner can see. Come on, Jeff. Watch on this one. There's a wind damage right here. Let's do this together. All honesty, give him a fair adjustment, sir.
I've already seen. I don't want to cause any more damage.
You already caused damage to one.
So he's going to try to get this adjuster to do it. Look, bottom line, this is exactly what we're dealing with as contractors right now. How do we actually do the right thing for this homeowner? Now, from an insurance perspective, I was an insurance adjuster. I was licensed in the state of Indiana, have gone through their courses, learned about insurance law and how it works. I'm not a lawyer, but at the same time, I will say, if I was the adjuster on this, I would understand, because of my knowledge as a roofing contractor, that this roof cannot be repaired. And there's no way it can be. And I'm not saying that this adjuster is a bad adjuster. Let me be real. This adjuster may not be a bad guy. He might be a great person. And on other circumstances, he may be great to work with. And I don't believe it's necessarily the adjusters that are having issues, because this is systematic. This is happening across the nation with adjusters that are out there inspecting roofs like this. They're just not paying for it. So this is coming from above those adjusters. These are guidelines that are being handed down, and that's exactly what they're seeing here. Let's keep watching this.
Watch on this one. There's a wind damage shingle here. Let's do this together. All honesty, give him a fair adjustment, sir.
I've already seen, I don't want to cause any more damage.
You already caused damage to one shingle.
If it's repairable, why would it cause
You've
more
already caused
damage?
one damage to shingle. We have you on video. You've already caused one damage to shingle.
So he
let's
said,
agree.
I don't
And
want to
let's do
cause
this
any
shingle
more
the
damage
way
to
it
the
needs be
roof.
done.
Basically saying this roof is not repairable.
Direct me. Tell me what you want me to do, please, sir.
I've already seen
This man has over 100 wind crease shingles.
100
on his
wind
roof.
crease shingles.
And you're saying it's repairable.
This is what I'm talking about.
It's not repairable. Now I'm asking you right now to show me the right way to do the shingle. Direct to me, not by physically doing it. Tell me the way State Farm wants me to do it.
We already did that up there.
You damaged one shingle and you say I damaged one shingle. So we're 1 for 1. Let's do it on this one.
I would like him to do it.
Yeah, he wants. Yeah, exactly right.
And you can do that on your own accord.
No. We're
I've seen what I need to do.
On your
You
own
damaged the
accord.
shingle, so
You
we're
can do
gonna
it yourself. Just when I'm not here, try to repair this roof.
That's fine.
But here I am, standing right in front of you, and I'm not going to make that determination if the roof's pliable or not.
So to get this nail, look, there's a nail right here, Jeff. There's a nail. How do you get that out with?
So this is the tool that he was trying to use. He's using a roof snake. He's going in, he's trying to pull the shingle up, okay? This is a pretty common tool. A lot of insurance companies are now telling contractors, according to this video, they're instructing them to get this tool and actually try to use it to repair roofs. Now, this is not a really fun tool to use, and it's difficult because of the way it's designed to actually, but on a normal pliable roof that's maybe 2, 3, 4 years old, you might be able to get away with doing this. But on a roof that's 20, 30 years old, there's no way you're going to do it. And don't fall for the fact that they say, well, it's wear and tear or it's this and that. No. It's not wear and tear. They decided to insure the roof. They should be paying for it. Let's just be real. Doesn't matter the roof condition. If they insured the roof, they should have determined that before they insured the roof, what the condition of the roof actually was. If you're paying for a full premium, you should get paid for a full replacement when something like this happens. Okay? Just the way it works. That's the way insurance is designed to work. And then you got other factors involved as well. If you start looking at proximate cause, that's a whole other issue. Would that adjuster have to be on that roof, period, or that contractor had the roof not gotten hit with wind? Wind damaged the roof. That's what's causing all the problems. That's what's covered as the covered peril. The wind that damaged the roof. Because the contractor's there and now he's having to tear those shingles up, then they're going to crease and break and they're going to cause all kinds of issues. That's the proximate cause, which makes you have to replace the entire roof. It's not that we want to install more roofs. Obviously, we do want to install more roofs, but we want to do proper repairs. That's a proper repair on that particular situation. You cannot spot do it. Not only going to have major issues where the roof's going to look spotty and terrible because now you got old shingles with new shingles, but you just can't do it. It's just not possible. You're going to break all the shingles around it, and then where do you stop? At what point does it become detrimental where you just got to replace the entire roof system? And that's the whole point of this video. When you've got 100 creased shingles on a roof, and the insurance company saying, well, we're going to pay for 100 shingles, it's just not possible. I appreciate these guys for putting this out there. This is a huge thing for our industry. This is great for homeowners. If you're a policyholder, make sure that you understand your policy, but not just that, but don't let an insurance company do this to you. We're seeing so many denials where they're coming back with 70, 80, 100 shingles. Literally, 70, 80, 100 shingles that have to be replaced. How do you do that? You can't do it. It's just not possible. You're talking in it's in a perfect world, maybe you can do it. But unfortunately, this material is oxidized asphalt. What is oxidized asphalt? Oxidized asphalt is aged asphalt, okay? Think about that. Aged asphalt, 20 years down the road, okay? You put a piece of asphalt out in the sun for 20 years, look what's happening to our roads. Potholes, right? Potholes is the exact same scenario to oxidized asphalt. These roofs are not meant to be torn up and put back down unless you're going to do the whole thing and take it down. You can't spot section it because it's asphalt. It's going to crack. It's going to break. It's brittle. That's the way it works. So anyways, great video. I really appreciate these guys for doing it. Hopefully it gives you some light on this. I really appreciate you guys watching the American Contractor Show. It's great to be back. I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.